In today's video, I'll show you how to register a domain with Hostinger quickly and easily. First, log into your Hostinger account. Head to the Hostinger website, click Sign In and enter your credentials to access the HPanel dashboard. Next, use the domain checker to search for your desired name. If it's available, click Add to Cart. If not, explore the suggested alternatives. Then choose your registration period 1, 2 or 3 years and add optional privacy protection to keep your details safe. Proceed to checkout and complete payment using your preferred method. After purchase, return to HPanel, click Domains and select Setup or Finish Registration. Fill in your contact details to comply with ICANN rules. Don't forget to verify your email within 15 days. Your domain will become active within a few hours, though full propagation can take up to 48 hours. And that's it. Your domain is now ready to go live. Happy domain hunting!